Welcome back, friends. This is Wendy with Cannin, Plannin, and we are on day number 26 of our Craft With Me. We are going to be diving into our Easter card kit today. So let's take a look what I've got for you. All right, let's take a look at what's in the Easter card kit first, and then I'll tell you the extras that I grabbed to go with this. So obviously we're going to have our envelopes, card base, and sticker sheet. We're also going to have our 9 pieces of patterned paper. This one is very similar to the Friends kit. So it's got 2 of the teal, 2 of the pink, and 2 of the purple, or excuse me, 3 of each of those. And then on the back side, we have some dark greens, purple, and some lighter purple. So that is what our card pieces look like. There are 3 die cuts. So bunny, chick, and I think that's a chick as well. And then we have with our embellishments, we have purple bows, pink buttons, our paper strips, and then of course our rhinestones. So what I'm going to use extra in this is a piece of cardstock. I'm going to use the stickers from the Friends kit, and then I have some washi tape and also a clean color dot marker, which makes just dots. Of course, our glue strips and all of that stuff. So I'm going to be using our card base, and our teal piece of paper is what I've chosen to go with this particular kit. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a swoop on this card base. So it looks like this. And I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut this piece off of here. Like so. And then I'm going to use this as a tracer for this piece on the colored background as well. Okay, and I'm just going to cut this piece out too. Okay, so with that done, I am going to take this piece of paper and I'm actually going to make this be a full piece of the card front. So I'm going to need to cut that to match. So let's check out our measurements. So this is 5.5 by 4 1/4. So we're going to cut this at 5.5 by 4 1/4. So I'll have these extra pieces. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the glue on the inside along this edge, because this is actually going to become our card front. So I'm going to line this up. So it looks like this. It's somewhat straight. There we go. Now it's going to be a little bit long because I didn't take into account the fold. So we're going to go ahead and cut this piece off the bottom so that it's the right size for the card base. Okay, so now we have this shape going on. So it looks like our actual card, right? When you open it, it's got this nice flap. And then we're going to attach this piece. It's going to have that nice little border on there, like so. I think I'm gonna trim off a little bit of the top, because what I intend to do is make some dots. So I'm just gonna cut a little strip off the top as well, because I want to. There we go. We're gonna attach this piece. Like so. And then the reason why I wanted this extra space is because I'm going to use this dot marker, and I'm just going to make some dots along the outline of this cut piece. Just for a little bit more color. Then we're going to take our little bunny guy because he's the cutest of them all. I love chicks too, but this bunny is just adorable with those little floppy ears. And we're going to give him some dimension with some of our dimensions, foam squares, and we're going to pop him on here like this. Then we're going to take my, I think I want to do sending hugs. And we're going to put this right at the bottom, like this. And grab a button with our glue dots. If I can find the end, there it is. Little button and some of our rhinestones. There we go. Then there is our cute little card. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me. I will see you back here for day number 27. And as always, if you found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out. Have a fantastic day.